Hello, this is Mistress Reid, and today's topic is about the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, E, O, U, U. A, A is for apple. E, E, is for egg. I, I is for ice cream. O, O is for octopus. U, U is for unicorn. Now it's time to listen and repeat. Now it's time to practice. Use your pencil for this practice. Match the letters or the vowels with the correct picture. Goodbye.